fight for justice. Corinne Reed's retrial for the death of Boston police officer John O'Keefe. The case of Corinne Reed, a 45-year-old Mansfield resident, has captivated the public and ignited intense debate about justice and potential police misconduct. Reed stands accused of causing the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, in a tragic incident during a snowstorm in Canton in 2022. The prosecution alleges Reed struck O'Keefe with her SUV, leaving him to perish in the blizzard's unforgiving grip. However, this narrative clashes sharply with Reed's steadfast claim of innocence and her legal team's compelling argument of a potential frame-up. Reed's initial trial ended in a mistrial, a dramatic turn that underscored the profound complexities of the case and fueled intense speculation. The mistrial declaration, a rare event, came after troubling revelations emerged from the jury. Following the conclusion of the initial proceedings, several jurors bravely stepped forward, disclosing a unanimous verdict of not guilty on the most serious charge, second-degree murder, and a lesser charge as well. This unexpected revelation casts a long shadow over the upcoming retrial, highlighting a stark discrepancy between the jury's apparent consensus and the legal outcome. This revelation throws a spotlight on the potential flaws within the initial trial and raises serious questions about the prosecution's case. The fact that a jury reached a unanimous not guilty verdict on the most critical charge, yet a mistrial was declared, suggests significant procedural irregularities or a lack of compelling evidence to support the prosecution's claims. This apparent contradiction fuels Reed's defense, strengthens their claim of a flawed legal process, and intensifies public scrutiny of the investigation surrounding O'Keefe's death. Reed's legal team vehemently contends that their client is a victim of a frame-up, possibly involving other law enforcement personnel present at the fateful house party where O'Keefe met his untimely end. Their claim points to the possibility of alternative culprits, suggesting that O'Keefe's death may have resulted from actions taken by someone other than Reed. The defense argues this points to potential cover-ups and underscores the critical need for a thorough, unbiased re-examination of the evidence and investigation. They have vigorously pursued dismissal of the charges, citing governmental misconduct. However, their efforts to have the case entirely dismissed have thus far been unsuccessful. Despite the jury's apparent initial conclusion, Reed will face the same charges in the upcoming retrial. This decision underscores the complexities of the legal system and highlights the daunting challenge Reed and her legal team face in overcoming the powerful force of the prosecution. The upcoming retrial, slated to begin jury selection on Tuesday, promises to be a gripping legal battle. The retrial will be a pivotal moment, a chance to delve deeper into the conflicting narratives and determine the true account of events surrounding Officer O'Keefe's death. The case of Corinne Reed serves as a stark reminder of the importance of due process and the potential for wrongful accusations within even the most rigorous legal systems. The high-profile nature of the case, coupled with the significant allegations of police misconduct, ensures it will continue to garner widespread attention and spark robust public debate about accountability, justice, and the potential for errors within the criminal justice system. The stakes are high, not just for Corinne Reed, but for the integrity of the legal process itself. The world watches as this compelling drama unfolds in a courtroom, awaiting the verdict that will ultimately shape the perception of justice in this intricate and emotionally charged case.